Okay, so welcome back again for another vlog. And it's 2026, so first order of adventure for this year. We're going to experience the C1 cable car here in France. It's actually the largest or the longest urban cable car here. So yeah, let's go! Takot ba kayo sa heights? Ako takot. Kayo na lang pamunta.
Namumutla ka na nga.
Okay, so from Paris, kasi galing kami ng Uber, nag-air kami. So you can take line 8 and go directly to, hello. So from line 8, direction Crite, baba lang kayo sa terminus and then you will see the C1. Just follow the sign. So, ito yan siya. Muna tayo ng Direction Nova. You can use your Navigo here. Yay! Okay, the next one. So that's the gondolas. Sakay kami ng sarili namin for sure. Okay. Merci. So, I thought, akala ko man ang sarili natin. Akala ko man ang sarili natin. It's okay. Wow! And it's raining in Paris, hindi ka ba nakikinig?
Bago pa ano?
Ha?
Bago kay Sobar.
Kaya eh. Amo. Bago pa yung... So, same din siya ng mga metro. Meron din siyang mga stops. So, I think this is the first stop. Yung mga gustong bumaba.
Nasa na isang tao. Ito lang doon.
This is Limay Privant.
Hindi ka pa kapag
Mababa ka na ba?
ano na kaya ito?
Limay Privant. Ito daw yung flash blue. Ano? Go to open siya. Tapos doon pwede kayong mag-sortie palabas. Ayun na, sa kabilang gondola may mga bumaba. See? Bonjour! May mga nag-a-assist naman ng mga tao. Sila yung nagsasarado ng pintuan, ganyan. Malamig lang.
Parang sa
Walang heater yung loob ng gondola. But it's fine.
yung ano na itsura.
Okay, so we are on the second stop Well, actually, it has 5 stops from Dolacrite to Villanova. So this is the second one. Ma. Wow.
Lobang na lang.
La Vegetal. La Vegetal Station. So, eto yung last stop, yung Villanova. Ayan. I don't know if we're supposed to get off para sumakay ulit sa next one. So, let's see. This is Villeneuve Saint-Jean. Wow. So, bumaba kami kasi terminus. Mag-out libre. Labas lang. Lalabas kami dyan. At papasok ulit kami.
Pasok ulit tayo.
Dito. Ayan siya. So, dito tayo ngayon, Villanova. Balik tayo ng Pont du Lac. Okay, so pabalik na kami at nasolo na namin ang gondola. Hindi kami nagpapasok kasi sabi ko, I have virus. So, ayun. So, ayun. Okay, so again, this is the Teleferic C1. This is the longest in Europe, the longest urban cable car in Europe. It connects Crete, Pont du Lac to Villeneuve Saint-Georges. So ayun, it's 4.5 kilometers. Kaya siya yung pinakamahaba dito sa Europe. So basically, ang makikita mo dito from above is yung roads, yung building, and kanina nakita ko yung Macne River, and this is part of the modern eco-friendly transport system ng Paris. So palakpakan tayo dyan, guys, palakpakan. Ay, televiewers ako. Vive la France. Kasi kanina hindi namin na solo yung unang ride eh. So, ayan. Yes. Nagyanito rin sana sa Philippines since we are a flooding country. Kaya dapat ganito yung transpo natin eh. Kaya yung traffic. So, maybe, just maybe, in the near future.
Yes, wala nang korap.
So, actually, yung buong ito, yung buong gondola, makakapag-secure siya ng 10 passengers na. 10 passengers. Yung red, meron silang seat for seniors or for PWDs, buntes, ganyan. Nanto ko siya na. Kaya lang malamig. Para kami nakasakay sa ref. medyo malamig. Actually, malamig ngayon. Malamig kasi kanina umaga nga merong little snow. It's negative 2.
It's like
Feels like 8. Feels like negative 8.
dito kasi sa metro, ano?
So, ito ulit yung station. Le Vegetal. Pwede kayong mababa dyan kung may gusto kayong puntahan. Mag-exit lang kayo ulit. Ayan. Yung curvy na station kanina. Ayan o. Actually, smooth yung ride. I didn't really expect na ganito ka-smooth yung area, yung ride nila. It's fun, though. And it's nice to see the angle of the ice from above. So it's quite cool. Meron na kami kasama ulit. Medyo mahirap mag-vlog. So it's really cold today. Dito kami sa loob pero sobrang yung fog. Umuusok ang bunganga. Mama. Hiniginaw. Mama ginaw. Train station gitu. Maganda. If you're born in a third world country and then you live in a first world country and experience things like this, yan admire and dream na sana meron din sa bansa mo. It's nice. Very nice. Sabi nung kasama namin, papunta daw yun ng Marseille. Yeah, for long journey trains.
Yeah, she went on vacation with her boyfriend, and I think she decided to move like a few months ago. I saw it on TikTok.
Okay, so we're almost ending the telepheric journey. That's the last stop. That's Cretay Pambilak.
My kids just
So, in total, 17 minutes yung ride. 17 minutes more. Pero most probably ganun lang. Yeah. No? Mama?
No, like I told her the old DJ come e boot
So that's my very first telepheric experience, and it's very nice. I'm glad I've tried it. You like it, Tita? You like it? You like it? So, ayun. Hmm. That's the gag. So whether if you're living here or if you're visiting Paris, it's a very nice experience to try the telepheric. So ayun. So thank you for coming with me. And yeah, thank you again. And see you on the next vlog. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so before I end the vlog, actually, after the Créteil Pont du Lac, you will see this big mall. If you're in for that, you can find restaurants here, and if you're into shopping, you can go here as well to shop. It's just one station away from Pont du Lac. It's called Créteil Prefecture, and just walk, and you will find this mall. The name of the mall is Créteil Soleil. So, ayun, dumaan kami dito for shopping. So, that's all. Totoo na talaga. Totoo nang bye-bye. Bye.